Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to mock up Pepsi can in Photoshop. First we go to the select quick selection tool from the toolbar and select the subject. Select pen tool. Press Ctrl Shift Enter. We go to the layer menu, new to layer by copy. Go to the file menu, click on the place invaded and adjust the design. Right click and select pixel. Follow the setting. Then click on the adjust icon, select gradient, then go to the select menu, click on the subject, Ctrl Z layer by copy and drag the layer. Create a new layer and make sure black shadow. Ctrl T free transform, adjust the shadow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.